What is the difference between concerted activity and individual complaints under NLRA? Imagine you're at work and you want to talk about your pay or hours. Do you know if sharing your concerns with coworkers is protected, or if just telling your boss about your personal issue is safe? Today, we're breaking down what the National Labor Relations Act says about these situations. Under the National Labor Relations Act, concerted activity means employees acting together or on behalf of others to improve workplace conditions. This can be talking about wages, hours, safety, or other work issues. It includes activities like discussing problems with coworkers, organizing a union, or filing a complaint as a group. The key point is that these actions aim to help more than just one person. They are about collective interests. On the other hand, individual complaints are just one employee's personal grievance. For example, if you tell your boss that you are unhappy about your schedule, that is an individual complaint. It does not involve others or aim to help a group. These personal issues are not automatically protected under the law unless they are linked to a broader concern affecting others. The National Labor Relations Board, which enforces the law, has clear rules about when an individual complaint becomes concerted activity. If the complaint highlights a real issue that affects many employees, it is considered concerted. For example, if you tell your boss that many workers are unhappy with overtime policies, that counts. Or if you try to rally coworkers to discuss a problem, that is concerted activity. But if you just vent about your own situation, like complaining about your personal workload without involving others, it is usually not protected. Even if others hear you and agree, it still might not be protected unless it shows an effort to organize or address a group concern. This distinction is important because protected concerted activity means employees cannot be punished or retaliated against for speaking up about workplace issues. Personal complaints that are not concerted do not have the same protection, so employers might take action against them. To sum up, concerted activity involves employees working together or acting on behalf of others to improve work conditions. It is about shared concerns and collective action. Individual complaints are just one person's personal grievance without a connection to others. Knowing this helps workers understand what they can say or do without risking their job, and what actions are protected under the law.